So how can you open WhatsApp on the Apple Watch? Let's talk about it. So if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. Well, a lot of people may not realize, but there is now an official WhatsApp app designed for the Apple Watch, right? So you can see that when you check out the App Store on the iPhone and look up like the WhatsApp, you can see we now have the version for iPad and Apple Watch, which hasn't really been the case in the past, right? So it's definitely an upgrade now. But the point is to make sure that you also have it on the Apple Watch, right? So you can, if you don't have it, you can literally just look up the App Store on the watch itself, just search for WhatsApp and then download the app specifically for that device. And of course, it's going to be kind of small and everything, right? But you'll be able to browse the chats. You'll be able to reply with some prepared options, or you can literally just type your message in using, the input methods like dictation, a keyboard, or even a scribble, right? You can, of course, send like voice messages or whatever. So it works while it's directly on the wrist. So I don't see a reason why it would not work on your Apple Watch, as long as you are, of course, running the latest version of the operating system. So that's kind of important as well. Make sure that your Apple Watch is running the latest version, as well as the iPhone. But that's going to be about it. Once you have it set up and synced with your iPhone, it will most definitely work and get the job done. So thanks a lot for watching. I really hope that I can help you with this. Most definitely subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the next videos.